Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of BFE Outdoor TV. Today's episode we're doing a little catfish on down there on the Lake Sam Rayburn Reservoir. Water temperature is 57 to 62 and we fished all different depths of water down into the river curves, up into the timber, up onto sloping banks. Fish scattered out, bait was scattered out. Kind of bounced around, banged around, and ended up catching about 25-30 fish. Caught one fish, decent fish, about 25 to 30 pounds. Had my daughter, my uncle, and my dad. And let's see what else. We're using chicken as bait. I think no, I didn't have anything other than chicken. Not a bad day of fishing, but wasn't what we were hoping for, obviously. Maybe one day we'll catch that one over 50, baby. Anyways, thanks for watching and hope you enjoy the video.
Bring this big lobster in here.
Well, at least it's a skunk. Hey, one of you. Oh, you hung up. You ain't got no fish. There's a fish on that one. It's real. Real. Keep reeling. I think he might have came off. He was under the boat.
Yep. He ate the fluke. The bait. It came off.
Yep. Drop it back down in there.
It's third time to the charm.
Nice and easy, slow.
No ads on music, unlimited skips, and all your favorite tunes every step of the way. Make your resolutions even more epic with music that keeps up with you. Pandora Plus is your partner.
Good job.
Every goal deserves a great soundtrack. Upgrade now.
Here, come get this orange one. It may be ready.
You hit every note.
Just a little bit.
You know the feeling. A nice hot bath at the end of a really long day. But why wait till the end of the day when you could be mine all day long? Is your favorite music ad-free? Unlimited skips in every place. Is listening offline?
You want to scoop it?
Really need to unplug. Is the power demand
I can do it.
Tap now to try it for 1 month free.
No, I meant with the net. But it's okay now. I got it. Yeah, he put real good. He's coming straight too.
It's okay. It's really a minute.
He's a pretty good fish. He's pulling that pretty hard. I wish you guys would pick it up. Super nice. He's coming straight to me.
I ain't that good.
No, he ain't that good, but
Not bad though.
you caught him right on the line, didn't you?
Yeah. recording?
Yes, sir.
I don't know if I might
Okay,
get
let me
hung
see.
up on a truck or something.
You hung up?
This one was starting to go off. Damn, how did I get hung up? This is a good fish. They pull drag and everything. Did it flip?
Yeah. Gene, you get okay. Then you get the net.
Get on that freaking rope. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Real good one.
Oh, yeah, that's 20. Get up here by me, past me. You can net that thing.
I'm gonna try to bring him over here.
Oh, he was hung up. You got that old stick. You're gonna go on the other side of that deal. He's gonna bring it around where you can net him on the other side of that deal.
Dang, he's big.
Get
Hold on. Just wait. Get that.
Put it down.
Get the net out of the water. All right, get him in there.
Oh, he's a bigger one.
Yeah, that makes the day.
That's kind of cool, though.
One-eye bandit.
First I thought he hooked it
Here we is. I'm gonna release him if you wanna. Let's film and just poke it in.
You're not
filming?
picking
Turn
him
it
up.
around. Blow it back in there.
You can throw all the other fishes out.
No, they got too much mercury in them, baby.
There, she's ready. She's gonna splash it.
And away she goes.
Thank you. Look at that rascal. Bring him in over here. I'll help you with it. Pick the rod tip up. There we go. Good job. Hold that sucker up. Don't be scared of it. Hadley, you want to reel that rod in? You done?
You gonna reel it in?
A fish on that rod.
Is it? I broke it off. Come out quite loud, didn't it? Good done. He's right here, swimming in the water.